saying it. Come up closer. Come right up so that you can hear it. Go and say it. Scratch. I'm scratching you. Are you telling me to scratch you? Do you like that? Go on. I can't. Look. I've never known a cocky do that. I'll say that. Oh, look. He's really going berserk. Oh, okay. Oh, other side. Other side now. He wants the other side done. You were so funny. Oh my God. He's been taught this.
Yeah.
I'm scratching you. Do you like that, do you? How old are you? When were you taught to say, make people scratch you, hey? He's so gorgeous. Oh my God. Do you want to do it? Do you want to scratch him?
No,
As soon as I stop, he asks for it again. Hello? Hello? He obviously really likes it, the feeling, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I can't believe this. Oh God. That's hilarious. Oh, you want back to the first side. Okay, okay. May I do it near your eye? You want a thorough grooming. Shani wanting her tummy rubbed. I've never met a cockatoo that's done this.
No.
Usually they just want to bite you. Look, the wings are going up and everything. Oh my God. This could go on for days. Look, up near the eye. Everyone's up there. Oh my God. It's very pretty. You're a very pretty boy. What's your name? Yeah? What's your name? Hello? Hello? You like me, don't you? Do you like me doing that? You're insatiable, aren't you? You're worse than me wanting my back rubbed. Scratched. My back scratched. I can't get over it. I just have never seen anything like this. Oh my God. No. You're very smart. They live to be very old, cockatoos, don't they?
Mm.
Oh, you're so pretty. You are so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh, wow, I'm in love with you. You're beautiful. Can you believe it? Oh my God. It's hard to get people coming back here. With a cocky like this, I'm going to come back. I'm going to bring Grania. I'm
Yeah.
going to bring Grania to see this cocky. And Micah. Because they don't have cockatoos in New Zealand, do they? Okay. Are you happy? You happy fella? Got quite a lot of room, hasn't he? He or she? Yes, you like that, don't you? Very tiny. You're very tiny. Very tiny fella. Oh, there's the food in there in the water. Scratch. Oh, look at the claw coming out. Oh, look at that dinosaur claw. Pterodactyl. It really likes being touched, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Ah! It bit me!
Really?
It bit me! It did.
Oh.
Yeah. Cheeky butter. What's that about? Why should I? You betrayed my trust and love. Why should I? Whoa. Cheeky bugger. Oh, look at the eye. Scratch. Hello. Hello. There's intelligence in that eye, you know.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Scratch. I'm wary now after that little nip. You want to have a go?
No.
Why not? Scratch. I might lose a finger next time. It was so quick.
Yeah.
Suddenly went. Can we go? Can we go? Can we go?